Come you back into this channel, and we want to run the analysis for against next week. We want to run analysis against the next week. What is the market saying? What is market is telling us? This is what we really want to look at. Is maybe this is just first time you do what? Come across my YouTube channel. This is your first time, and you just see how the market, you just see my YouTube channel. I want you to subscribe onto this channel, subscribe to it, like it, and comment. I want to see your comments. I want to see a review. I want to see the review. Like, share, and comment. And don't forget to turn up your bell notification. Turn on your bell notification that anytime that I drop another wonderful, beautiful analysis, you are going to be the first person to see that YouTube analysis, and you will like it. Just a notification. What are you doing for me? You are giving me a well done job. That seeing you see it, watching it, you are giving me a good inspiration for me to continue the job doing. That is all what I'm requesting from you. And right now we are looking against gold. Gold is what we are looking for now. We want to look at the gold and the BTC. All of these are the crypto. They are crypto. They're falling under the crypto in the forex, in the currency world. So we are going to look at it, what the market is going to tell us. We are looking for the gold. Gold, what is gold saying? This gold, we are in a monthly chart. We can see that the gold have been buying so many, like 2 or 3 years. Gold have been uptrend. Right now, before we know the continuity, markets are doing what? Are pulling back. I don't forget that I'm just using simplicity strategy. I love to use simplicity strategy. What are that simplicity? I use the TDA, that is the top analysis, and I use just ordinary supply and demand. That is I love to use to run this analysis, so that we know the state, the level where the market is. It really show us where the market is, where the market is. That is we want to do what? To run. And you know, I've already told you that this market have been buying so many years. So many. Pulling back now, we don't know where the market will pull back reach before it turn back, because this market are now dropping. The gold now are now dropping now as a technical analysis for the gold. We are not talking about the fundamental, because we don't know the fundamental state, but we are running an historical analysis, which is a technical analysis. This is it. The market is now giving us a current. This is the pullback. The recent pullback, let me show it to you. The demand level, I pick this area. I pick this area as what? As my reaction area. Reaction area. The market are pulling back. Market might reach here. You see this area 1, 2, 3, 4 that is a recent reaction area. I pick it as my area where the market. I've told you that we don't know the market saying. There's no much prediction. It is what is why with what you see, it is what you do, what you trade. You don't say, oh, this is the area. It's what you see is what you do. That is why it's quite different from gambling. It's what you see is what is going to trade with. Then this is the monthly. This month market have been selling. The market have been selling. If you really want to follow the pattern, the candlestick pattern, is a continuation. You can see this is a white soldier candle. That is continuation of selling. So then what we run to the weekly charts. In the that the market continue to do what? To sell. We have a little reaction here. We need to map it out. We need to do what? To map it out. This is our reason in weekly, a reason, but there's a little one here. We need to notice it. As a swing trader, I've already told you that this analysis I'm running this analysis for a swing trader, day trader, and a scalper. So you will know your area you belong to. Your area you belong to. As a swing trader, this market give us a little bit reaction here. Markets might go back like this. Might go back like this. And do what? And run down. You don't even know. This is the daily. The market closed daily as what? As a sell. I told you it's a continuation of this sell. Then we are this is the weekly, and this is the daily chart. Wow, the market have already pulling back again. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. This is the daily chart. I'm expecting by the time the markets are going to be continued by the tomorrow, market will open. The market will open back. I'm expecting this market to pull back, drop down, to pull it back and drop down. This is for the daily. Let's run to the what? The 4 hours. For a swing trader, I'm expecting the buy. I'm expecting the buy to do what? To continue. To continue. Maybe on Monday, market will continue to do what? To buy. We don't even know yet. So, as what? As a swing trader, you are expecting it from ear to ear. This is for as a day trader, you are expecting to pack the little one here. Yeah. Pack it from here. That is 2:6. This is a 2:6. By the time the market do what? The market open, then this is for what? For a day trader. Your day trader, this is a 1 hour entry. This is the 1 hour entry. Then you enter the market. So I'm expecting next week, maybe on Monday, the market to pull it back here before it continue to do what? To sell. So this is what I'm expecting. As a day trader, I'm expecting buying. That is market to pick it from here to here. So my SL, this is going to 1:3. So I'm expected as a day trader. Why scalper? Let me run to the 5 minutes. As a scalper, yeah. Let me reduce. So I want to know the exact percent. So almost ratio. Let me drop it small. Almost ratio 10 as a scalper. Almost ratio what? Ratio 10. So this is how good it is. You can see it. This is how good it is. Let me give you the review back. You see it. I'm expecting the market. This is the 4 hours to pull it back here, then continue to sell. This is a daily. You see it. This is a daily, a pullback. This is a pullback. I'm expecting the pullback to reach here before continue to do what? To sell back. I'm expecting the pullback to reach here, what? Before you continue to sell. That is my little bit a prediction. Then in your 4 hours, this is it. My 4 hours to give me this way, and my 1 hour to give me this way. The market is continuing to sell, so but I'm expecting the pullback. As a day trader, as a swing trader, you might leave it. You might leave this buy. Don't bother. Wait for the right opportunity. As a swing trader, you might leave it the buy and go away. But as a day trading, you might, because about big pips, that is almost 500 or pips. You understand? You might catch it up before the market continue to sell. So as a scalper, almost you can buy and you can sell. So this is it so far. So good for this gold. This is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting the market to reach 4339. Let's say 4344. 4340. I'm expecting the market to pull it back here before the market continue to sell. That is my expectation next week. Next week, that is my expectation to pull back before I continue to sell. So far, so good. This is on the gold. Let us look at the BTC. The BTC, nice. Let me run it from the onset. I'm creating my charts. For the BTC, it's a 24 step because it's a crypto. It's just a crypto. Let me run it from the monthly. Okay, it's just a crypto. It's working 24/7. 24/7. 24/7. 24/7. This is a monthly chart. Monthly chart. This month, market sell, massive sell. Weekly charts. The market selling this week, and the market are in a key level. Ranging of market for. Let me go back to the monthly and tell you something. Market have been buying. You will know that I like trend line. I love trend line because it guides me. It really guides me. In this area, this is a monthly chart. In this area, market on the key level. They are in the major. We have a minor key level and we have a major key level. Market on the major, the key level. Yes, this is a weekly. This is the weekly. It remains 1 day. 1 day, 11 months. 1 day, 11 hours. So tomorrow the market will start another new week. So this is it. This is the weekly chart now. Market on the key level. So we don't even know yet whether the market will continue to do what? To buy, to go up like this. And if the market are buying like this, we are in a massive money. There is a massive money. Yes. This is a quality one. As a swing trader, this is the area that you need to look at it. Either the market continue to sell or the market continue to buy. So you need to be very, very patient. Need to do what? Very, very patient. On a daily, yesterday market buy, today market is buying now. Market is buying now. So you don't even know in this area the market is. You need to be very, very careful. If you are a swing trader, you need to avoid this area. You need to avoid this area. You need to have a solid confirmation before you enter either the buy or what, or the sell. So this is the 4 hours for your entry type. You need a solid confirmation, because how do you do a solid confirmation? Then let me run it like this for you before you can enter of buying or sell. Let me give you a tips. This is it. Then use your trend line. This is it. Don't assume you have your own way of entering the market. As a swing trader, you need a solid confirmation, a solid one for the confirmation before you can do what? You can enter that market. This is a counter trend line. This is a counter trend line. Before you can enter for a buy, then run this one. If the market break this counter trend line, that is to be. If the market do what? Use 4 hours for the entry. If the market break this counter trend line, then and pull back, then run it like this. Far away. If the market break that the counter trend line, it's a long way journey. It's a long way, big money. 2 months, 2 months, 3 months, you are still what? You are still. So for you to end this business, it can give you, it can turn you to a billionaire if you really monitor it, follow it very well. If you really monitor it and follow it, because the area the market is where that you can find your entry, either the sell or the buy. Either the sell or what, or the buy. So this is a counter trend line. The counter trend line can help you more. trend line, just take bit by bit. Don't rush. Do not rush at all. At all. So if this market break this counter trend line, you can do what? You can enter for that market as a swing trader. Let's move down to the, let me clean this. Let me move down to the, so as a day trader, you see the 4 hours run down to the 1 hour. Your higher time frame as a day trader, what do you need to do? Run. This area is a key level. Let me use this one. As a day trader, this is your key level. Then run it. Then go to the 15 minutes. Wow, wonderful. I'll really monitor this one. Wait for the market to break these levels. Let the market break this area before you enter to buy, because the market might do what? Might come back to sell. So this area, as where it is now, the market need to break it before you join. You see it? Counter trend line. You see this junction? It's a quality trade. Area. That junction, you see it? That junction, you see it? Let the market break it. Then if the market break it, then this is the area that you will park your profits as a buy. Very easy. Don't be greedy. That is it. If the market break this counter trend line, this is the ratio 4, 1 to 4. This is how you will do it as a day trader. As a day trader. If you are a scalper, go to your 5 minutes. Also applicable to here. Also applicable to here. If you have already entered from here, you already pack your profit from here because of this reaction area. You already pack it from here, but as it is now, wait for the pullback, then your SL will be very, very tiny. Okay? Then enter here. The sky is your limit. You can pack it from here first. You can use this one to pack it. This is a TP1 and TP2. That is how it is. Hope you have a little gain on this BTC and what? And gold that I've already done. I've already told you, remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment if it is valuable to you. So like, subscribe, and share. Thank you and God bless you. So if you have any question or you want me to run another pair, just drop it down on the comment section below. Thank you and God bless and happy weekend. Remember to trade safe. Remember to very, very careful. Don't be too much hurry. Don't be too much hurry. Do not be greedy. In this trading forest, you need to have 90% of patience and 10% trading. That is how you can become a profitable trader. Catch you next week.